are preparing for the session 2 April attempt using last year's strategy, you're walking straight into a trap. We just finished a ruthless question by question comparison of the January 2025 and January 2026 shifts. And the shifts in NTA's pattern is absolutely massive. Today, we are not guessing. We are giving you the ultimate data driven April prediction chapters for physics, chemistry, and mathematics. If you want to secure a 99 percentile and completely dominate session 2, drop everything. Grab a pen and let's decode the exact chapter NTA is going to target the next. So over here, if I just talk about for the April prediction based on January 2025 and January 2026 pattern that NTA has served to you people, what we are actually talking about, the almost certain chapters which are going to give you near about 16 to 32 questions. These are optics, electrostats, properties of solids and liquids, rotational motion, current, electricity. The chapters that are very likely to come, they are EM induction and AC, oscillation and waves, atoms and nuclei, physics and measurement, magnetism. Talking about the chapters which you need to watch closely because they can bounce back likely in April. They are thermodynamics, work, energy and power, dual nature, electrostats, properties of solids. Just have a look onto this particular data so that you can have a clarity into your mind basically. Well, let's talk about the April rebalancing theory for physics I'm talking about. So over here, NTA balances question distribution across JEE main session. Physics shows a clear pattern. Chapters with the highest counts in January typically see mild reduction in April, while those that fell unexpectedly get corrected upward. So the chapters that can normalize or cool down in April, they can be kinetic theory of gases, laws of motion, experimental skills, oscillation and waves, electromagnetic waves. Well, the chapter that are likely to bounce back in April, that means there is a high probability that they can actually come. They are electrostats, properties of solids, magnetism, work, energy and power, thermodynamics, dual nature. Okay, people? Well, let's move on to the chemistry portion now. So chapters that are almost certain that they are going to come, they are coordination compounds, near about 20 to 24 questions, organic compounds, redox in electrochemistry, some basic concepts in chemistry, organic compounds. The chapters that are very likely to come, having 11 to 15 amount of the questions, chemical thermodynamics, solutions, chemical kinetics, atomic structure, equilibrium, basic principles of organic chem. The chapters that can bounce back likely in April that are organic halogens, classification and periodic table, biomolecules, DNF block, purification of organic compounds. Just have a look onto the data over here. Well, I just want to talk about the April rebalancing theory, the chapters that may cool down in April. So, JEE Main runs multiple sessions each year, as you all know. NTA typically balances question distribution across sessions, so no topic is over or underrepresented across the year. So, based on this particular pattern, the chapters that may cool down in April, so they are organic compounds containing oxygen, coordination compounds, organic compounds containing nitrogen, purification techniques. Well, talking about the chapters that are likely to bounce back in April, halogens, classification and periodic table, biomolecules, DNF block. Let's move ahead and talk about for mathematics on the same similar pattern. So the almost certain chapters with the high confidence that we are talking about, they are coordinate geometry, integral calculus, sets, relation and functions, sequence and series, limit, continuity and differentiability. Very likely complex numbers and quadratic equation, trigonometry, stats and probability, vector algebra, 3D geometry. Correction expected in April, matrices and determinants, differential equation, trigono, coordinate geometry, PNC. So the mathematics, as you all know, it's the most predictable of 3 JEE subjects. The top 3 chapters, coordinate geometry, integral calculus, sets, have been remarkably stable over multiple years. April predictions are made with the high confidence because we have actually analyzed all the data of the questions. That's why we are highly confident. So the April rebalancing theory, the chapters that may cool down, they can be trigono, integral calculus, complex numbers, 3D geometry. Likely to bounce back in April, matrices and determinants, differential equation, limit, continuity and differentiability, coordinate geometry. The data does not lie. These predicted chapters are your ultimate roadmap to cracking the April attempt. Stop wasting weeks on dead weight topics and start pouring 100% of your energy into these high yield areas across physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Which subject's prediction surprised you the most today? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this no bluff hardcore analysis gave you a clear direction, smash that like button, share this video with JEE Study Group, and subscribe to the channel for more cutting edge exam strategies. Now get off YouTube and get back to your mock test. See you in the next one.